Hello, gang. Long time no see. Sorry about the long hair, but what can I say? Barbershops aren't open in my area, huh? It's been brought to my attention that cupoflinux.com, the forums in particular, every other aspect is still working, but the forums are down for the time being, and I'm working with trying to get the functionality restored. I have an idea of what is causing the problem, but I don't remember how I fixed it last time. But rest assured, the monkeys are grinding at the wheel and trying to fix this issue. And of course, I'd like to get some more content coming up on the channel as well when I can. But my most immediate issue and concern right now is getting the website up and running. I don't have an ETA on how long this is going to take because I have to do this when I have free time to do it. But just rest assured that I am aware that the website is down. And I will work diligently with all earnestness to get everything back up and running, at least for the forum anyway. That's all I have for right now. Good seeing all of you. And I'll see you guys sometime in the near future. A little bit of love goes a long way. Take a little bit of your time and be excellent with somebody today. Peace out.